Okay, if your John Deere X300 is starting to lose a little bit of speed, especially in the wide open flat areas and stuff, before you go think you need a whole new transmission or your belt shot or something like that, be sure to take a look at your pedals. See this one here? This is your forward pedal. Take a look at how high that sits up from the floorboard. You know, here, this one doesn't have very much travel, so it's bottoming out on the floorboard. That's going to really cut back on the amount of movement the linkage has back through there, and that's going to really take an effect on your speed, because the farther this goes down, the more it pushes the lever on the side of the transmission, the faster this thing is going to go. Same way with the reverse. See right there, not coming back up. I'll show you why here in just a second. Okay, you can see now we got a lot more travel. And we're not bottoming out on the floorboards there. So we're going to be able to hit top speed in reverse and forward. Here's a look underneath. You can see where this nut was originally tightened up at. You know, and now where we have it. That's a big difference right there. Same way with the one for reverse. That one was a little bit more centered up, but yeah, this one here for forward, it was closer to the lower side of the travel than it was to even the middle. So just a little bit of information there for some of you guys that might you think your transmission's starting to go bad or your belt's starting to be stretched too far out. Start with the simple stuff first before you go throwing a lot of money at these machines.